Adding volume with a hair topper. This is how I style my hair topper for a comfy full ponytail look, and it actually works every time. In this video I want to test how well this method of securing my topper in a ponytail holds up during a workout in the gym, and I will show you how I create this full ponytail, and then we will head to the gym together to see how secure it really is. As you can see, my own hair is very fine, thin, and it lacks volume, and my hair loss progression is quite advanced. Despite this, I'm determined to embrace life fully and confidently. That is why now I wear alternative hair full time, and I love it. In the gym, I wear most of the time a baseball hat with a hair donut scrunchie. But one of my goals for the new year has been to wear more hair toppers in the gym during workouts. I like them to be very, very secure while I'm doing my workouts. And also without any pulling or tugging on my own hair. Here is how I customize the base of my topper. So I added 2 combs to the front of the topper base, and I also have a halo wire that I added myself for extra support. And now I'm going to clip some Velcro into the base clips of the topper to prevent pulling and tugging on my bio hair while ensuring it stays secure during the workout in the gym. And I like to cut one of these pieces in half and attach each piece on the sides of the topper using 2 of the clips from the base of the topper. And this is an easy way to make the topper just feel more secure without any pulling or tugging on your own hair. I sprayed my own hair with some dry shampoo, and it really helps with the grip, especially if your bio hair has been freshly washed. And in my case, since I don't have much hair on top of my head, this step is actually really crucial to prevent the topper from sliding back and just moving around. And you can use some hairspray instead, or as well to make just your hair a bit tacky under the topper. And now let me show you how I put the topper on. First I tease my own hair in the front with a comb for better grip. I tie a section of my hair into a ponytail. I wear the topper just like a regular hair topper, but after teasing the hair, I secure the 2 front combs that I sew to the hair topper base into the teased section at the front of my hairline. And this technique keeps the topper from sliding back, and it ensures that it stays perfectly aligned with my hairline in the front. And it's just a simple hack, but it makes a huge difference in keeping everything in place. And after that, I secure the halo wire between 2 layers of hair at the back of my head. I place the halo wire between those 2 sections of hair, then press the parts of the topper where the Velcro is attached to the base with the clips of the base of the hair topper, and kind of try to stick it and really attach it to my own bio hair. Then I release my ponytail that I made with my own bio hair, and next I blend really well my bio hair with the hair of the topper. And now let's make the ponytail, and you can position it as high as the middle of your head. And then gently just pull the topper's hair on top and loosen it slightly to cover more of your bio hair for just a fuller and natural finish. And you can leave a few face framing pieces if you want to as well in the front. And now I want to just test it to see how secure it is really, just to test it before I go to the gym to be sure. At the end, I like to add a little bit of root powder right at my hairline, and sometimes I will just use a little bit of the hair building fibers as well, and that really helps blend everything seamlessly. At the end, I will add some hair clips on the sides because I'm going to the gym and I really need that security and I want it to be really secure on my head. Now I'm ready. I just need my smoothie and I'm good to go. Keep watching to see if it was secure enough and could pass the test. I just got back from the gym and I could say that it was definitely a success and I'm super happy with the result. Let me show you how the hair looks without the ponytail. Of course, I still have the hair clips. I can remove them. The most important thing was that the topper is not sliding back and this part here stays in place where you can see a little bit from my own hair and from my hairline. So that's this transition for me is the most important because I know that this is the only place where you can actually notice that it's not my real hair. I think it was a total success. I did around 1 hour, not very intense workout with a lot of strength training, but also I did a lot of stretching and the whole time it stayed in place. It was really good. My small test was a success at the end. I will definitely wear this topper and other toppers during the whole year in the gym and do more workouts with them. Thank you so much for watching.